How to increase your credit score by 225 points. Who would like to boost their score by 225 points across the board? Now, disclaimer, of course, this may not apply to everyone. However, it very well may apply to you. So with that being said, without further ado, make sure you tune in, tap in, and benefit from what it is I'm about to share with you freely, because it helped one of my clients boost their score 225 points across the board the first month of us working together. And this included no items being deleted. Well, you got Mr. Smith, 0.5 of Mr. and Mrs. Smith, and in this brief video, I want to talk to you about how my client was able to boost their score over 225 points based on a recommendation that I gave them, and how it can also possibly help you. Will it be 225 points? I don't know. Will it be less? I don't know. Will it be more? I don't know. Will it help you at all? That I don't know. But in this case, this is what happened, so I can only share with you what I know. Now, if you haven't already, grab the free credit class in the link below so you can take full advantage of it, understand how credit works, so you can best benefit from having a high credit score and leverage it however you see fit. So grab that free credit class down below. That's that. Now, how does my client go about boosting their score 225 points across the board? Now, when I say 225 points across the board, I'm not saying 225 with Experian, 225 with TransUnion, 225 with Equifax. That wasn't the case. Total, it was 25 points. So across the board, the grand total was 225. So just as a brief example, it may have been 50 points here, it may have been 75 points here, and it may have been 100 points here, to give it a total of 225 points, if I did my math correctly. Boom, I believe I did. So that being said, 225 points, whatever the math was, I don't have it exactly in front of me, but this is the thing that they did. Now, their score had been hurt for the past several years, meaning that it's nothing but negatives on their report, all negatives. Now, the only thing that might have been beneficial on their score is the age of their credit, but the payment history was out of whack. It was collections all on there. Didn't have a credit card at all, so they're missing out on the 165 points that come from having a credit card. So all of those things were in the red on my screen, which is how I see it. If it's in the red, then I have to figure out how I can help them boost. So I was like, okay, this is what they need. So I recommend it, and this is something you can get from that link in the bio. If you click the link in the bio, it'll take you to a link tree that has a host of buttons. You want to click on the button that says Stack Money, Build Credit Like a Boss. Stack Money, Build Credit Like a Boss. I recommended that they use that link to stack money and build credit like a boss. And when they used that link and they went through the process and they started stacking that money being stacked helped to boost their score by 225 points. So I highly recommend that you click that link and stack that money and build your credit like a boss, and that way you'll see how it works. So I don't want to reveal all the details here. I want you to do your own due diligence, look into it. It may be something you're already familiar with. It may not. It may be something that you benefit from and you boost your score by 225 points. It may be 50 points, but 50 points is better than no points when we're talking about moving upward in the right direction. So that being said, you let me know if you try it out. Come back to the comments and say, hey, I used it 30 days later, this happened. I used it 15 days later, this happened. I used it and it didn't do anything. Either way, good, bad, indifferent. I want to hear what happened when you used it. Or if you were already familiar with it, then that's cool as well. But like, subscribe, share this video with somebody who you feel may benefit. But more importantly, if you see that link, share the link with somebody who you feel may benefit so they can stack money and build credit and possibly be another person who's able to boost their score by up to or even beyond 225 points. That's all I got. Signing out.